We're going to make miniature food. Hershey and Reese. We have 5 recipes. I want to make cookies. Get it.
We also have
hot cocoa, balsam cookies, chocolate, strawberry pie, Reese's cupcakes.
These are the things we need.
Eating ice cream. Sprinkles.
Go ahead.
Okay. 所以是 1放进去 2 What is it?
Put the ice cream in the middle. 1 scoop of ice cream. That's what it looks like. You can use this nozzle.
Add some sprinkles. A little bit more. Let's make another one.
Sure.
Blossom cookies.
Okay, it's this one. Find the things we need. You put them on this, okay? All right, I think you know what to do. I'm gonna open this, okay?
Okay.
Wow, look. On top.
I'm using a tweezers to put the chocolate on top of the cookies. On top of the cookies.
That's it.
Let's hatch, beat, and grow aqua dragon, aka sea monkeys. Let's take it out of the box. Food, eggs.
Okay, take this out. Pull. Press this button. Prepare for your aqua dragons.
Fill the tank with 330 milliliters of bottled water up to the water line. We'll draw pour the water. 1 egg pouch into the water and stir gently. It takes 3 to 7 days for aqua dragon hatchling to become visible in the cage. I can use the magnifying
Glass.
Yeah. Feed them a day after setup with 1 tablespoonful of feed from the food pouch provided. Lamp every other day with 1 tablespoonful. If the water becomes frothy, you can reduce feeding to every birthday when they have babies.
Yeah, if you take good care of it.
做到功课，我的数学课的功课忘了写了，完了。
Oh, don't forget to feed your aqua dragons.
Never forget of adoption.
You're gonna take good care of it. Write your name, your address.
I promise to take good care of it.
给 Sophia 看，对不对？